Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video I wanted to really quick go over what this mastery check will be looking like. It's going to be very different from most normal writing mastery checks. This mastery check is a little less about skill and a little more about making sure, I should say a little less about German skills and a little more about making sure you know how to use your resources, but this is also a very important skill. Um, Instead of having you memorize a large group of new verb forms, I want to make sure you know how to use them in each of these spaces here. So at the top, you can see the example that I'm looking for. And if you complete that practice packet, you should have absolutely no problem getting this done because it's almost the exact same thing with just different sentences. Okay. So it's kind of like math where I give you the formula and then you just use that formula with different numbers. Okay. But you may not know what those numbers may be. So on this one, super weird, but you're actually allowed to use Leo. So you're going to need to bring your Chromebook back again for mastery check number 2. So that way you can complete this written mastery check here. Okay. Alrighty, I will let you dive into the practice packet and get ready for that mastery check. I'll see you shortly. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.